Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Travel Eat Repeat. Let's make some crispy, crunchy chicken tender hot dogs today. So I've taken one chicken breast here and I've cut it into strips. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt in there. You can use buttermilk instead of yogurt and milk, but you can use this as well. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise in there. This makes the chicken really soft and creamy and it tastes really good. And I'm gonna add some salt in there. Just be careful with the salt here because you will be adding salt in the dry coating as well. I'm gonna add some paprika powder in here. Then I'm gonna add some onion powder. You have to be careful with the quantity of everything that you're adding here because you will be adding everything in the dry mix as well. So I've added some garlic powder here and now I'm gonna mix it, and you can let it marinate overnight in the fridge as well or just make it straight away. It's all up to you. Now for the dry coating, I've taken 1 cup of plain flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in there. After this, I'm gonna add baking powder, a little bit, not too much. You have to be careful with the baking powder. Just a quarter teaspoon should be enough for this. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. That's why we added less spices in the wet mixture, because we're adding the same spices in the dry mix as well. So you don't want to overpower anything. So I'm adding paprika, a little bit of salt, not too much. Cayenne pepper, if you don't have cayenne pepper, you can just add red chili as well, or you can just skip it. Now mix the dry coating very well. Now I've taken the marinated chicken. First, we will coat all the chicken pieces with the dry mixture before doing the second coat. So I'm gonna coat all of them once, and then you can just shake off the excess flour and just dip it in the wet batter and then coat it again. This will make the chicken very crispy and crunchy. Now heat up the oil and you have to fry chicken on medium high heat. Make sure that the heat is not very high or not very low. Very high heat will burn the chicken from outside and it won't be cooked from the inside. And if you cook the chicken on very low heat, the coating will start to come off. Don't move around the chicken pieces too much when you're frying them, so the coating doesn't come off. Just flip them once you know that one side is cooked properly and is crispy, and when the other side is cooked, the chicken is ready. Now we can just make the sauce with mayonnaise and a few spices and some lemon juice. This goes really well with these hot dogs. So just take the buns, the hot dogs buns. These are the brioche buns and they taste really nice. Just spread some mayonnaise in there, then some lettuce, and just place the fried chicken on top. I'm sure the kids will love this recipe. You have to give it a try and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.